Although Dreamweaver gained its reputation as an HTML editor, it's really much more than just a tool to create and edit HTML documents. Dreamweaver serves just as well as a web application builder, an FTP client, a website manager, or even a website assets manager. With Dreamweaver, you can quickly and easily design, develop, and maintain websites and web applications. As they come from the same publisher, Dreamweaver enjoys excellent integration with Adobe Photoshop CS3, Adobe Illustrator CS3, Adobe Fireworks CS3, and Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Built for both designers and developers, you can create and edit in either design view, as I have here, or in code view. If you'd rather build your web pages by working with the HTML directly, or you can work in split view and see views of both the code and design page. Dreamweaver's capabilities for visually designing web pages is unmatched using the AP Div tool. It's simple to draw out CSS-based page layouts by simply tracing over the page layout formats that you want. It's also easy to draw out page layouts in tables using the new table mode layout mode tool here. Using this tool, you can lay out both tables and table cells by simply drawing on your document. To really get any kind of page layout you want, simply again by tracing over the design you wish. So either of these tools, the AP Div tool or the table layout mode, allows you to quickly and efficiently trace out any page layout scheme you desire, whether you want to use tables or div tags layers. As I mentioned previously, Dreamweaver also serves as an excellent web application builder. A web application is a website that contains pages with partly or entirely undetermined content. The final content of a page is determined only by requests made by the visitors to the site as it's being viewed. Because the final content of the page varies from request to request based on the visitor's actions, this kind of page is called a dynamic page. Dreamweaver, with its support of MySQL databases, JavaScript, VBScript, ASP.NET, PHP, and Cold Fusion, is an excellent tool for building these types of dynamic web pages. Notice that you can create and work with pages of the type XSLT, ActionScript, CSS, JavaScript, XML, ASP JavaScript, ASP VBScript, ASP.NET, ASP.NET VB, Cold Fusion Component, JSP, and PHP. Dreamweaver also has an excellent FTP client built into it. You can use this FTP client to upload and download files to and from your web server and to your local machine. Dreamweaver's very visual interface makes it easy to transfer files back and forth between your host and the local machine. Simply open up the pages of the files window and drag and drop them from one side or the other, either moving your local files over to the remote site or moving files from the remote site and dragging and dropping them over to the local files window here to the right. In addition, the site cache that Dreamweaver will generate for every local site enables it to keep track of every link in your site and warn you if you try to do anything that may cause problems down the road with your links or site assets. In this case, I've changed the name of a file, and Dreamweaver, based on this site cache, is warning me that there's a link to this file here, childwindow.htm, that will be affected, and is asking me if I want to update that link. Using the Assets panel that I have open here, Dreamweaver can manage all of the various assets used in your site pages, and it does it in a very visual environment. It can manage your images, your colors, your URLs, your Flash components, your Director Shockwave components, any video movies, scripts, templates, or libraries. Dreamweaver also excels as a website manager. You'll manage your sites again through the Files window here. A Dreamweaver CS3 site is a collection of all the files and assets in your website. You create web pages on your computer upload them via the FTP client that I demonstrated earlier to a web server, and then manage them using Dreamweaver's powerful but easy-to-use site management tools, including the Files window, the Link Checker, the HTML Tag Validator, and the Accessibility Checker to maintain the site. You'll use the File Manager here to transfer updated files whenever you save them. You can also edit and maintain websites that were created with tools other than Dreamweaver. Now, I could continue listing more and more features and capabilities of Dreamweaver, but let me now review which of Dreamweaver's numerous capabilities are actually covered in this tutorial course, and also give you a quick review of what's new in this CS3 version of Dreamweaver.